Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela and in today's video I am going to share with you guys my Mr. DIY haul. If you guys have seen my last video, you must have seen that I did a Mr. DIY store tour. That's it's kind of a new store that's opened up in a lot of places in India. I think they opened up before this whole pandemic thing happened, but before they could get famous, the pandemic thing happened and everything was shut, and now they've opened the store. I just went to DMart in Kalyani Nagar, Pune, and then I bumped into the store. Actually, I wanted to buy a few stationery items for Inaya's birthday. So I was just looking for a nice stationery store, and Mr. DIY seemed like obviously a store that has a lot of these crafty stuff. From outside it does not look like that. It looks like more of an electronic and a car accessory kind of store, but this is a beautiful store. If you guys want to know more about the store, do check my store tour video out. I will link that here somewhere or in the description box down below. Also, I am sitting down to film after such a long time, like proper sit down video. I did film one with a friend of mine. It's Guess the Food Challenge, which is also up on my channel, so make sure you guys check that out as well. It's the most funniest, I think it's the funniest food challenge video you'll ever watch. So yeah, and I think I was saying, what I was saying is I am sitting down to film after almost a month. The last one I filmed was the festive makeup look, which I think I uploaded maybe 4 or 5 weeks ago. So it's been such a long time. I've been only uploading vlogs, which honestly I've been enjoying. I've been enjoying filming the Inaya's birthday vlog, then the Phoenix vlog, DIY, the Mr. DIY store vlog and all of that. But I'm so happy to be back and filming for you guys. Now, just to give you a gist about what the store is, it is a Korean store. Not exactly a Korean store, but it does have a lot of these Korean items, these cute Korean, Japanese items at very low prices, and they also have a lot of other stuff as well. So I went to the store and I was so tempted to buy so many items, but I did not give in to my temptations. I just got a few stuff that I think was very important, and stuff that I thought was very cheap. I would not get that anywhere else for such a low price, so I got stuff like that as well. If you guys want to know what all items they have in the store, again go check my store haul out. Store tour out. Why do I keep saying haul? So yeah, that was a long intro. So without further ado, let's get into the video and let's see what all I have in store. I am so excited. So let's dive into all the products that I have. I'm not going to go in any particular order. I have a lot of stuff, so I'm just going to pick whatever comes in my hand first. So this first item that I have here is this beauty blender plus a beauty blender holder. Do you guys see this? So cute. I got this for just 73 rupees. Can you guys believe it? This is such a cute beauty blender holder. I wanted a holder for the longest time, but this one came in with a free beauty blender as well. I'm not sure about the quality of this one because I haven't used it as of yet, but the holder in itself is so cute. I would never even get a holder for 73 rupees anywhere, so I just went ahead and grabbed this one, and I really love the quality of the holder as well. I'll show you guys a close-up of how it looks. It has this beautiful rose gold color to it, and I am so obsessed with this one. I had to pick this one, so I just went ahead and got this. So the next items that I have are these spoons. They are just pastel colored spoons. They look so cute, like so cute, and they come in 3 different colors. I got 2 sets of different sizes, so these are how the spoons look. And can you guys believe for how much I got? 12 pieces of spoons. I have the whole set here so you guys can see. This is how it looks. I think I lost a blue one, but they come in a pack of 12 and they are super cute, and I got this whole pack of 12 spoons for just 50 rupees. Can you guys imagine? If you guys have seen Inaya's birthday vlog, we planned like a whole pastel the theme was unicorn, but we wanted everything to be pastel colored, so I got spoons for the birthday. But I don't know, they are so good quality that you don't have to discard this after one use. They are of good quality plastic. I'll show you guys a close-up. They are of nice quality plastic. They're not cheap or anything of that sort. Like, they do not look cheap. So obviously we did use this for her birthday, and then we continue to use it. So I got 24 spoons for 100 rupees. I am so surprised and mind blown by the price of all the products in the store. They have like huge frames, huge frames to just 500 rupees. They have this weekly planner thing as well, that is also huge. I don't know, the store is so cute. I can just go on and on about the store. A big thumbs up. If you guys are in Pune, then definitely go to Kalyani Nagar and check the store out. And if you guys are in Mumbai, I think they have a store in Kharghar as well. I haven't been to the store in Kharghar. I will go there and let you guys know about that store as well. But if you guys are in Pune, then definitely go and check out the store. It's right next to DMart and it has my heart. So this next item I have here is this set of wooden clips, and it comes in with this string as well. Everything comes with a cute packaging, but I do not have the packaging of all of the products because I did use a few products. So this is how it looks, and it comes in with this string. What you can do is you can just attach these clips to the string, and then attach photos on the string, and then just put it up on your wall or on the wardrobe, anywhere that you like. You can just put this up and it looks super cute. I got these to put up Inaya's pictures on the wall, so I will do that. I haven't done that yet obviously, but I'll do that and I will upload pics of that on my Instagram. So if you are not following me there, make sure you do, so that you can see how I do this as well. And yeah, again, this one retailed for just 50 rupees, which I think again is very inexpensive. Next product I have here is this bath pad. Now I've heard from a lot of people that the plastic loofah is not that great, so I checked online for oh my god, I cannot get this. Yeah, so I checked online for these bath pads, but when I checked on Nykaa, the one that I found had a lot of good reviews was the one from Panache, and then they had a few other as well, and all of them retailed for 150 to 200 rupees, and this one right here retails for just 50 rupees. Can you guys see? 49, and it is of such good quality. Like seriously, you can just put your fingers in this and then scrub, and this is of seriously like really good quality. I'll show you guys a close-up. This is how it looks. I am in love with all of their products, especially because they are so inexpensive. Kharab ho gaya to bhi, matlab, you won't feel bad about it. Like if you are paying 200 300 for something like this, and if it's ruined in 2 weeks, then obviously you're going to feel you're not going to feel that great. You'll feel bad about it. But if you're just paying 50 rupees, then but again, these are all of really good quality. Okay, everything. I've used the spoon, I've used a few products from this because I got a few products a month back and few products 2 weeks back. I went to the store twice, so the products that I got in the first time I went, I did use a few of those products, and they were all like really good quality. The next item I have here is this. It is a dumpling maker or a momo maker. Since everyone in my house is a fan of momos, we really love making momos. We obviously love eating momos out, but during this whole pandemic situation, we could not get momos anywhere, and we did make momos a couple of times, and it was so tiring, like so tiring. After we made momos, we didn't even feel like eating it. We just wanted to go to sleep. It was that tiring and time consuming. And I found this at the store, at the DIY store. This one again retails for just 60 rupees, and this is such a lifesaver. Obviously I have discarded the packaging of this one. Actually my sister discarded this one. As soon as we got home from the store, the first thing that she opened was this one, because she was so excited. And we did make momos the next day itself. I will insert a picture of the momos here somewhere, so that you guys can see. This makes the whole process so much easier. You just have to cut a round roti and then just fill in whatever you want, and then you just have to press and your momos are done. That's how easy this is. And again, this is something very, very useful. So the next item I have here is these pair of shoes that I got for Inaya for her birthday. Since these are like, the tying shoes where you have to tie these up to the knee, so that is why I got these. They are super, super cute. They came in a pack with these socks as well, which I did not use. But again, the shoes and socks, both of them together retail for just 300 rupees. The shoes is of super good quality. She did wear this a couple of times, and it's really comfortable. She did not feel uncomfortable. She wasn't crying or anything of that sort. And it looks so pretty as well with these strings. She did wear these for her birthday. I will again insert a picture of that as well here so that you guys can see. But again, that is the next item that I got. And then I got these pair of socks as well for her. Now these are not regular socks. If you guys can see in the video, they come in with these tiny dots. This is for grip. So if your baby, if the baby is walking, they can still wear these socks and walk. So that is why I got these, because Inaya has started walking now, and it's becoming cold here in Pune. So I got these socks for her so that she can be nice and warm, and also walk in socks, because usually children cannot walk in socks. They slip and fall down. So these will come in really handy for the winter season. So that is why I got these. The next item I have here are these papers. Now these are just marble papers. Both these rolls, both of these together retail for 50 rupees, which again I think is super inexpensive for sheets like this. Do you guys see how beautiful this is? Like, oh my god, I really, really love how these look. I wanted to use these for her scrapbook, which I did not make, like for Inaya's scrapbook. I'm going to, put up all her pictures in one book and create this cute scrapbook. So I'll use this. Then what you guys can do is, like, I'm thinking to do that as well. Like the second option for the second roll of paper is, you can just cut these into an A4 size or something like that, a little bigger than A4 size maybe. I don't know, just whatever size you like, and then you can frame these and set it up, like put it up just above your bed, and that will look really beautiful. Now the wall above my bed does have a few decor items, so I'm not going to do that, but I'm thinking of doing the exact same thing. Like, I would just cut out 3 similar pieces of these paper and then get them framed from a local store, and then put them up here behind the sofa, and I think it will look really pretty, because these papers are like so pretty. Like, the print on this is so pretty. It is perfect for like a wall frame is what I feel. So I think I might do that. I'm not sure as of yet, but again, they have a lot of these marble papers, they have gifting papers, and a lot of cute papers. So if you are someone into these crafty stuff, if you really love doing DIYs and crafts and all of that, they have a lot of stuff in store for you guys. The next item I have here is this hijab voluminizer. Do you guys see this? So this is basically used to voluminize the hijab, obviously. And when I wanted this for a long time now, probably 2 to 3 months. And when I checked online, the lowest I found this one for was 300 rupees, 299 rupees. And Amazon has this for around 400, 500 rupees and all that, which I honestly thought was really expensive for a hijab voluminizer. I don't know what this is exactly called, but yeah, I got this one for 89 rupees, so that is 90 rupees, which I think again is super cheap, because I could not find these scrunchies or volumizers for less than 300 anywhere. I checked in a lot of stores. A lot of shops do not have this only, but online stores do have this, and they are very expensive. So if anyone is a hijabi, or you just want to buy these cute hair accessories, then definitely check that store out. They have a lot of hair accessories, and I really love this one. The quality is also like really great. It is very, very soft and stretchy as well, which is something that the next item I have here again is a headband, and it is this cute headband that I got. Honestly, I got this just for my skincare videos. So whenever I do a skincare video next, I would just put this on, or whenever I'm doing like a face mask, or just for my skincare days and skincare videos. That is why I got this. They have this in a lot of colors. It's very, very cute. And yeah, I got this what is this, nude peach color, a light peach color. This one was for around 90 or 100 rupees. I don't remember the price of this, because I got this when I visited the store the first time. But again, this was very cheap, and cheaper than what you would get online or in other stores. So that is why I grabbed this one. The next three items are the ones that I'm most excited about, and the first item is this. It is a set of 6 earrings, and can you guys just guess the price of this? Just pause the video and guess the price of this in the comment section down below, because I was shocked when I saw the price of this. It retails for just 27 rupees. 27 rupees for a pair of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pair of earrings for just 27 rupees. Like, what is this even? And all of these are like really cute, really nice quality. I did check the quality as well. They are nice quality. But again, what do you expect for 30 rupees? Even if the quality is not nice, I would grab this one. But honestly, the quality on these ones are like really great. They would last a decent amount of time, and that is why I got these. And they are like super, super cute. I can't wait to try these on. The next item I have again is accessories, and it is this. I got 3 neck pieces and 3 pair of earrings for just 57 rupees. Can you guys imagine, just 57 rupees for such a cute pair of neck piece and earrings and all of that? They are so good quality, and I really like these chains. They would look like really cute with the turban style hijab that I do. So that is why I got these. I really, really love these, and for 50 rupees, I don't think you'd get these for 50 rupees even Kolaba, or where else, Sarojini Nagar, or what's that one more place in Bombay? I don't remember, but I'm just saying that you wouldn't get these even on the streets. Like, if you would get these, they would probably be for 250, 300 rupees. So for 57 rupees, these are a steal. So if you guys, so this is the last product that I have here, and it is 3 pair of false lashes. Oh my god, these are such good quality lashes, you guys. They are very, very good quality, lightweight. They look really natural. I'll show you guys up close how they look. They look very natural, and I got 3 pair of these eyelashes for just 200 rupees on Nykaa. I usually get the pack ones or the Nykaa ones. The Nykaa ones are the Nykaa ones are not of that great quality. One pair of eyelashes retail for 200 rupees. I think that's the cheapest ones that are available on Nykaa. and then the pack ones retail for 375 400 rupees. The pack ones are really great. The Nykaa ones are okay, but 3 pair of eyelashes for 200 rupees is great because I will be doing quite a few makeup looks, so I thought I'd get these. They are of really good quality as well. I did get cheap lashes from Amazon just to try them out. I got a pack of 5 for 150 rupees or something, which looked really plasticky and really fake and all of that. These ones look really natural, and since this is like a Korean and Japanese store, they have a lot of these beauty items which look really cute and they are of good quality as well. So yeah, with that we are done with the haul. These are all the products that I got. Okay, wait, I also got a tablecloth. Now they do have a lot of these birthday party decor items as well, but since we DIY'd all the stuff for Inaya's birthday, I did not get anything of that sort. But I got a tablecloth. I will insert a picture of that here somewhere. And again, that tablecloth retailed for just 50 rupees. It was of great quality. It is obviously like a one-time use cloth, like a disposable cloth, but again that was of really good quality as well. So if you guys are if you want to just throw a birthday party for someone, then they do have a lot of birthday decor items as well. Honestly, this video is not sponsored. I love the store so much and I will definitely revisit the store to get a few other items as well. I did not have a lot of time when I went last time. So yeah, that is it for the video, guys. That was all I got from the store. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.